Hey guys, thanks for tuning on in. Before we get started, I just want to take a little minute and talk about our free Facebook group called Credit Score Hackers, where you can get answers to your credit questions from experts in the field, as well as people in a similar situation. So, thank you guys so much once again for tuning on in, and I hope to see you on the inside.
So Governor Ron DeSantis out of Florida signs the financial literacy bill. We're going to talk about that, what's in it, and hopefully some other governors, some other states can get behind this, because I think this is actually a really good bill. Let's take a look at it. So Governor Ron DeSantis, Florida's governor, America's governor at this point, signed SB, which is Senate Bill 1054, into law. So what SB 1054 does and what it's about, it's centered around helping students in high school around financial literacy before they get out into the world, into the marketplace. And I think this is a great idea. We've heard about, you've heard the saying, many people say, and I know I've heard it, maybe it's just me because I'm in this space, which is, I wish they taught credit in school. I wish they taught taxes in school. I wish they taught finances in school. Well, here we are. We're at the point where it looks like that is going to happen, at least in Florida. At least I would think that we'll probably see a lot of other governors adopt something similar to this, especially the red states. Maybe some blue states will follow this, but I think this is a really good thing to do, because when you get into the world and you don't really know much about credit, you don't know about finances, you don't know about, how money works, in a way, I hate to say the system, but, the wealthy and the elitists, it's kind of good for them if fewer people know how the system works. How does money work? How does credit work? Because they can kind of take advantage of folks, that way, and they make a lot of money, a lot of profit that way. So, this is good because it gives students, at least entering into the real world, some ammo, some knowledge of how this thing works, so they don't fall victim to money, to credit, and things like that. So this will come into effect for all high school students in Florida entering their 2023-24 school year. It's going to be required, half credit course. It's going to be an elective. And the course is going to cover, again, personal financial literacy and money management. Okay, so here's what the bill wants to ensure that kids learn quite a bit when it comes to finances. So the students are going to learn about bank accounts. They're going to learn how to balance and run a checkbook. They're going to learn about money and credit scoring, basically the fundamentals around money and credit scoring. They're going to learn about the fundamentals around debit and credit card management. They're going to learn about loan applications, right? What is a loan application? How to fill it out properly? What's all involved with that? They're going to learn about inheritance. So if they ever were to inherit money from their grandparents or their parents or, whoever is in your family, how do you manage your inheritance? What do you do with that? How does it work? So you don't just blow it. And they're going to talk about personal insurance benefits. So how does insurance work? How does life insurance, health insurance, how does, just personal insurance, how does all the insurance policies out there work, all the basics around it. Taxes, they're going to learn about taxes. How do taxes work? Tax assessments. So if you ever own a property, if you own any real property, whether it's real estate or business property, whatever you own, how does tax assessments work? Going to learn about interest rates. You're going to learn about simple contracts, right? So you kind of look at things from a legal lens. If you ever, do business with someone, you enter in a simple contract with somebody, what to look out for. You're going to learn about state and federal laws around money, how to save and how to invest. These are the courses and the part of the curriculum that they're going to be teaching around this whole financial literacy bill and this course they're going to be teaching in high school. And again, it is going to be a required half credit that's going to be needed to pass high school. So students were required, another thing that the bill does, students before were required to earn 8 credits in order to pass high school, 8 electives. Now the bill is going to drop it from 8 to 7.5. And of course, this is a half credit course that students will be able to get. So this bill goes into effect July 1st, 2022. My opinion on it, I think it's a great bill. I think it's a great thing that Florida is doing, a great thing that Ron DeSantis is doing. I do believe other states will adopt something very similar to this. In our industry, it's something that's said all the time is unfortunately, a debtor is born every day because, students don't really know how it works. We don't get taught this unless our parents teach us. And many times they don't really get it. They don't understand. So how to kind of break that repeating cycle of creating a population of consumers and debtors is to really learn how everything works and learn how the rules work and learn how to learn what the rules are and then learning how to play the game. And so you're not a victim to the game. You are a player, basically. So I think this is great. I love it. And so I really do hope more states get behind it. That is my opinion. So that just wanted to give you my take on this bill. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this information. Let me know what you think about this bill. Let me know what you think about what I've said. Definitely would love to learn or hear from your opinion. Let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys next time.